What are we talking about, Brett?
So today we're going to talk about CI and CD.
What does that stand for?
So CI/CD stands for Continuous Integration, Continuous Deployment. This is a set of principles that have been designed to help people deliver value to customers faster, reduce bugs, and also reduce integration complexity, which is common in team software creation.
When you say deployment, you're referring to the idea of shipping a set of features or a set of software product improvements in some regular cycle.
Well, I'm actually talking about shipping one feature in the cycle. So maybe a traditional Scrum team might ship a number of features at the end of a week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, and CI/CD aims to ship one feature as soon as it's completed.
Wow, so we're getting product into customers' hands faster.
Yeah, and this is a big deal, especially when we're talking about validated learning, because a 2-week Scrum cycle is only going to allow you something like 24 to 26 real deployments a year. But a CI/CD team, they can release thousands of times. This gives a lot of ammunition to the product team to learn faster and find out how their customers are using the product.
There are a lot of teams who haven't even gotten to running Scrum effectively. And now you're talking about a process that sounds like it disrupts Scrum entirely in some aspects. How can I get started in this process, whether I'm running Scrum or whether I'm coming from a different methodology altogether?
So this does work in tandem with Scrum sometimes, in conflict with some of the release cycles, but a few things that the engineering team can do today that will help you move towards faster deployments. One, automated tests and some sort of automated test runner should be built into the software. We need to embrace a mindset of merging code daily. We also need to allow the team the ability to get notifications when changes are taking place in the software. And those are some things that even if you're not using a custom CI/CD pipeline or a third-party tool in the marketplace, you can start to build the habits inside of the engineering and product team today.
And how can the development factory help?
So we have a series of third-party tools that we like to use when we're doing new product development that helps us get to a CI/CD state of mind faster with our clients. And that's a habit that we have here at the development factory already.